The trouble with composition is that it's not something that we normally do with our eyes and brains every single day. Typically, our brains want to see everything right in the center, so that's where our eyes see the best, and that's where everything's in focus, and that's how we want things to be. And if we're not careful, when we're using a camera, we'll do the exact same thing and put the object right in the dead center, which is fine for the eye alone, but for a piece of art, it tends to be boring or static, or what we like to call crappy. In order to save us from this natural inclination, we've developed the rule of thirds, which is a tool for composition that helps us break the monopoly of centering everything in the frame. All you have to do to use the rule of thirds is to divide your frame both horizontally and vertically. This creates 9 boxes and 4 vertices where the lines intersect. To make use of these, simply put things on those lines, and more powerfully, on those intersections or vertices. So if you have something up and downy, like say a person, put them on one of the vertical lines. Or if you have something that's a little bit more side to side, like a horizon or a road, try that on one of those horizontal lines. And if you want to really make an impact, put something that you really want your audience to see, or that you really want to have focus in your image on one of those vertices that we like to call PowerPoints. These will draw the audience's eye in to those elements that you want them to see, making a stronger creative vision and less of a simple document that says this thing exists. You're now saying, hey, look at this is interesting, I'm putting it over here for a reason. So remember, the rule of thirds is very simple. Divide your frame up into a grid 3x3, place things on those lines, or more importantly on those PowerPoints, and you'll be off to a great start in composing your next image.